We are pleased to show you the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.